Rachel is setting out to manufacture induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSC-derived therapies. As such, she needs to establish a scalable, GMP-compliant, automated, and robust production process. However, she struggles to do so consistently. She faces high cost of goods because her processes require high manual labor input due to a lack of fit-for-purpose equipment. In addition, an efficient process control strategy and assured supply are difficult to maintain. Fortunately, the Sartorius PSC manufacturing solution addresses Rachel's manufacturing needs. The solution enables a control strategy through an advanced sensitive process analytical tools, or PAT-enabled bioreactor. All of Rachel's data, including expansion and QC, is processed with Sartorius multivariate prediction technology, further enhancing her control strategy. Rachel utilizes a consistent serum-free, xeno-free medium with 3-hour PCR-based sterility tests for in-process control to deliver therapies to patients faster and reduce patient risk. Automation is achieved during media preparation and handling, data-driven expansion, and downstream processing, all outfitted with single-use consumables. Expansion is also enabled for remote manufacturing. What's more, Rachel doesn't need to stress about supply delays or changes. She maintains high product quality of her iPSC-based therapy with Sartorius consumables that are produced under complete control of single-use supply chain and come with long-term business continuity. The Sartorius solution gives Rachel the resources she needs to set up and maintain production of the high-quality iPSC therapies her patients need.